Alright, let's install Blender. Go to the web browser and search for Blender. Open the first link from their official website that says download Blender. Blender is completely free and open source, so you don't need to create an account or buy any subscription to download it. As we are recording the video in April 2026, the latest version available on blender.org is version 5.1, so let's download it. Once you open the download page, it will automatically detect your operating system and suggest the most suitable installer for you. If you want, you can choose a different version or installer depending on your system, like Mac OS or Linux. In my case, I'm using Windows machine, so I'll select Windows option and then select the download Blender button. The download will begin automatically. Let's fast forward the video. The download has been completed successfully, so let's run the installer. The installation is pretty simple. Select the next button, choose the installation directory and select the next button again. Then select the install button. The installation will take a few minutes. And after the successful installation, finish button will appear. Select the finish button and that's it. Blender has been installed successfully on our machine. So let's get started.